going on the Isle of Wight with my cousin, Grace.
Aye.
And my other cousin, Freddie. And my nana, Papa. And my papa, Nana. The reason my eyes are closed is because it's really sunny and it's really windy, so yay! I'm gonna go teleport downstairs now. And I'm back, and here is my family for a fun day holiday. I haven't thought through the name much. I'm a redhead. I dyed my hair. Great. Here is my papa, here is my Freddie, here is my Nana, and here is my Gracie. And we are family, and nothing beats family. We are... Did you just throw a bottle at me?
Yeah. Were you filming? Going there back to me.
I have a headache now. That's 1 minute. Again! Stop.
No, you see, that's enough. No,
Grace.
Stop,
I come to it.
please. And this is the last day of a minute a day holiday. And this is the first series. Hashtag Yacht Life. This is great. I love my life. I don't like this day. As you can see now, we can actually see the Isle of Wight. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. You might not be able to see it, but I can. I don't know. Okay, bye. Bye, people. Look how big my personal yacht is. I have like 29 cars.